Guys, I want to welcome you to the channel, and if you're trying to get your snowblower, Arians, or whatever started and it just won't kick over, so here's just a little tip that I did. So now behind this area here is the carburetor. Let me see if I can look underneath and show you what I'm talking about. So right under there is the carburetor between the metal and housing. Basically all I did was I didn't know exactly where the carburetor was located on this Arians, and I decided to take this whole panel off, but I had to take this off with the screw. I also had to take this screw off, this one off. I had to take these two off, and this whole panel piece came out and it exposed the carburetor behind it. So all I did was I drilled a hole with my drill to create a mouth opening so that I could spray Gumout, the product I was telling you about. And I'm not trying to endorse Gumout. You could use any carburetor choke cleaner. I use Gumout. It always works for me. And basically, you know, like I showed you, you're just gonna put the straw in the nozzle of the can and put it in nice and deep. Open the mouth of the choke, which is this. When you point it in that direction, it's wide open, and when you want to close it, it's that. So here's the trick that I learned. When it's cold, I put like maybe 2 or 3 shots inside the carburetor through the hole, and then I close the choke and I wait maybe 3 or 4 minutes, and then I pull the cord. And in most cases, I will say it will start right up. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Open it up, stick the straw of the Gumout inside there, 2 more sprays, close the choke, give it a few more seconds, and then pull this. Don't forget that this has to be on. There's a switch that says on, run time, and stop. Just leave the key in there. I don't touch it. And then I pull, and as far as the fuel, I just leave it open. And that's it, really, guys. So I just wanted to share that quick tip with you to get your snowblower running. You don't have to panic and call some guy or send it over to a store because you don't know what's wrong with it. Just follow that. And by the way, again, do not use under any circumstances starter fluid. It's highly flammable, and it could start a fire, and it could also blow out your spark plug because it's so strong. So I always stick to the Gumout. It is a little flammable, but not as flammable as starter fluid. And so I'm just going to end the video right there. I hope it helps you guys out with starting up your snowblower, and have a good day.